It's a land grab with international dimensions. Thousands of villagers in 7 border districts of Bihar have lost their land and homes to encroachers from Nepal, triggering a significant rise in violence and conflict along the state's border with the Himalayan kingdom. The land grab, it seems, has its genesis in a warped, century-old border treaty. The Indian authorities' inability to ensure pillars demarcating the border stay intact is making it worse.
अभी जो है वो नेपाल के कब्जे में है, लेकिन वो जो है कि बिहार की भूमि है.
People residing at the Indo-Nepal border have been crying foul for long. Slowly, the land on the Indian side is disappearing. Farmers are losing their farmland, their livelihood, rather everything. The local authorities are aware about this issue, but their hand seems to be tied down.
Though the 600-kilometer long Indo-Nepal border is patrolled by the Sashastra Seema Bal or SSB, pillars demarcating the border are regularly uprooted. Intelligence estimates suggest 716 international border pillars have disappeared along the Indo-Nepal border. 281 pillars have been uprooted in Madhubani district, 116 pillars have been removed from East Champaran district, and 61 pillars have been removed in West Champaran and 3 in Araria. The SSB agrees the problem is serious.
The boundary had not been surveyed by both of the countries. Disputes are there in around 7 districts of Bihar. We have already reported the matter to the government of India. Not to the government of India directly, but through our force headquarters.
Ironically, the very basis of setting up these pillars lies in a treaty signed by the British in 1816, declaring the river Mahakali as the border between the two countries. The treaty is meaningless as the river has changed course several times southwards into Indian land.
Our village was uprooted and we were made to move, which resulted in violence. Only after fires were exchanged that we managed to move back to our village.
With farmers turning landless literally overnight, most try mass protests, but ultimately end up migrating to bigger towns or work as landless laborers.
नेपाल जो हम लोगों को इस तरह से परेशान कर रहा है, आए दिन जमीन के लफड़े से बहुत से घर ऐसे हो चुके हैं जिनमें ताला लगा हुआ है, भाग चुके हैं अपनी जान बचाने के वास्ते.
Though the Nitish Kumar government wrote to the centre on the issue during its first tenure, the lack of pressure has now meant continuing misery for Bihar's border residents. With Sehboob Alam and Prabhakar Kumar at the Indo-Nepal border, in New Delhi, HR Venkatesh.